Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the favicon of your site on Wix Studio. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in the dashboard for one of my sites, and I'm going to go from here. Now, the first thing I want to preface is that you do need a premium plan to change your favicon, and if you do get a premium plan, make sure that it does include a custom favicon if you want one. Now, what you're going to do from your dashboard is here at this left pane, go to settings at the bottom, and then once you're here, you're going to go into website settings over here. Once you're in website settings, you want to scroll down, and the third section from the top will be the favicon section. As you can see, I don't have a premium plan, so I cannot change the favicon to a custom one. However, again, if you do have one which includes a custom favicon, be free to use it. Now from here, you can select to update the favicon if you have the paid version, and then you can select either a already available image, or you can choose a custom one from your PC. Again, you need to have the upgraded premium plan, and that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.